All right, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Today we're hitting some bench work, some back work, and some triceps. So while the shoulder's healing up, we're still hitting a high rep incline cable work. So up to 70 pounds. Now I wasn't able to get my 3 sets of 25. So first set I got 23, and then I did 3 more sets of 20. So 83 reps total. Took me 4 sets, but I wanted to make sure I got in at least those 75 reps. The incline presses have been nice on my shoulder. Once I start to fatigue too much on a set, I start to feel it in that tendon. I just stop the set, rest, and go on to the next one. Now today, in between sets of incline press, I went and did ring pull-ups. Haven't been doing pull-ups for a few weeks here because they were bugging this bicep tendon. So decided to give them a shot today. Just body weight. What really wasn't super thrilled with my pull-up strength right now. But it is what it is. I've been recovering from these injuries, kind of fighting through these injuries. So didn't want to use weight, didn't want to pull super explosively, just wanted to get some nice, even keeled, sort of steady reps in, just to get some back work in. So managed to hit 3 sets of 8 there. Body weight on the rings. After the pull-ups and the incline press, went on to some block press, 2-board block press. If you have any shoulder troubles, I recommend looking into these bench blocks. Great tool to reduce the range of motion. Also could be a great tool just for working on lockout, building that tricep strength. But I'm using it specifically because my shoulder pops when I get to the bottom right now. It irritates the heck out of this tendon. So 3 sets of 8 today after doing the 83 reps incline presses. So I was happy with that at 225. Figure while I'm dealing with this injury, I can't go super heavy, so the least I can do is at least build this work capacity, continue to build a base, a good solid foundation. We'll just keep building from there each week. And then I moved on to doing some high rep face pulls. So I superset the face pulls with the block presses. This is actually one of my favorite ways to train. Bench and back together, just alternating back and forth between sets. I don't know, it's just a ton of fun. You get a massive pump in your upper back, your upper chest. May not be the best for straight up strength training, but it's an awesome way to build work capacity. And if I'm doing just straight hypertrophy work, I love training that way too. After that, ring dips. Wasn't sure how the arm would hold up, but wore the sleeve on the left arm, didn't need it on the right arm, and held up okay. Just happy. I was up to doing 55 pounds on ring dips, so I'm back down to body weight now. But at this point, I'm just happy to be doing dips again. Dips are one of my all-time favorite exercises. Hopefully this spring, after I go for this 1,100-pound total, we're going to start hitting some heavy weighted dips. The shoulder can handle it. We're going to try to shoot for a 200-pound dip. Between the dips, did some supinated pull-downs. High reps here, not very heavy, just 155 pounds. Then after that, finished off with the incline cable skull crushers, superset with close grip bench press in the same setup. Really like this setup. Up the weight this week, so it's 105 pounds total between the 2 stacks. So we didn't get a ton of reps on the skull crushers. I think I got 4 or 5 reps on the skull crushers, and then just repped out as much as I could on the close grip until the triceps just had a massive pump by the end here. I hit 3 sets total on these guys. Now this is probably maybe the 3rd, 4th time I've done these. And quickly becoming one of my favorite exercises. There's nowhere really to rest with the way the cables are set up. Constant tension. The skull crushers can get a really nice stretch and nice contraction. I end up just getting a massive tricep pump out of these, so really enjoying them. And a huge shout out to Lucky from Get Right Fitness again for recommending that I find a way to get it to work with that easy curl bar. It's been easier on my shoulders, so that's been awesome. Then I finished up with some seated cable rows. Again, not insanely heavy, 210 pounds here. Just trying to get some solid work in, get kind of acclimated to doing some back work after taking a few weeks off without making this bicep tendon go crazy. Hopefully we'll be able to just keep ramping it up each week and see where it goes from here. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.